I landed my first client, and I started his Google Ads, but like I want a little bit of help with optimization, making it better, and all of that. So I wanted to see, I seen some good reviews on your account, and obviously I'm happy for that. Alhamdulillah, I'm like good for you, and I'd like to see if we can continuously work together. Like I can get you client, like I can go out and get clients, and then inshallah, like refer them, like not refer them, but like you know get them to sign up with me, and then I can use you to for you to make money and for me to make money as well,
Yeah, sure.
inshallah.
Good for me because you can
Yeah.
bring the client and I can help you, so we can both make money.
Yes, inshallah. That's my plan, and I'd love to, for us to continue to work together. So if that's something you're okay with, I'd love to start with this first client, see how we do, and then I do have a few other clients lined up that are interested. So then we can, definitely go from there, and maybe we can not even use Fiverr if that's okay with you. So that way they don't charge you fees or anything like that. We can go straight to PayPal or whatever works for you.
Actually, Fiverr is more good for me because I'm an employee in Fiverr, and also if we plan to go other side, then Fiverr ban our account, also your account.
Okay, خلاص, then no, we could say.
Fiverr
I
is
just
good.
thought Fiverr charges you. I thought it charges you too many fees. Like off
No
of
worry about it.
whatever it is. But
I compromise it. It's pleasure for me.